My name is Carol He, and we're in Pueblo, Colorado. So my bathroom had a spa tub in it, and which is nice, but as I get older, I realize that I need to have a walk-in shower, make it safer for myself, and I'm hoping to retire in a couple years and needed to get everything done before I retire. Stacy was the gentleman that came to talk to me about HomePride, and he was just the nicest person. And then he started showing examples of what I could use. So he was great. Never pressured me for anything. The only thing I can say is I would definitely recommend HomePride. And if you're looking for do some work on your bathroom, your shower, consider them, because they really are everything that I expected they would be.
I am Trish McDaniel. We're in Littleton, Colorado. I want to change the bathroom because the house is very old and we feel like it needs to be updated. I have a disability and my husband has some disabilities too. When Robert first got here, he sat down and we talked about he got to know us. And that was really important. And I actually canceled the other appointments that same day because we just felt very confident that this is the company that we wanted to go with and trust. I'm very happy. Yes, everything is just so put together.
My name's Tyson Fox, and I'm born and raised here in Pueblo, Colorado. I wanted a walk-in shower, and Mike, our sales guy, was amazing, came down. He was super knowledgeable, just made me feel at home with the whole process. And every step of the way, he was very reassuring, and HomePride had great reviews all the way around, where some of these others did not. They took a day and a half, which was ahead of schedule, and punctuality is another big one to me, so that was nice. I do think the HomePride will add value to my home. When I decide to do my front bathroom, I'll definitely go with HomePride again. And I love the shower, it's great.